Bears, magnificent creatures, powerful predators, symbols of wilderness. Across the globe, they inhabit diverse landscapes, from icy polar regions to lush rainforests. Bears captivate our imagination and embody the wild spirit of nature. 8 distinct bear species grace our planet, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. They share common traits, intelligence, strength, and an important role in their ecosystems. Bears remind us of the intricate balance of nature and inspire us to protect our planet's precious biodiversity. Join me on a journey. We will explore the fascinating world of bears, discover their diverse habitats and remarkable adaptations, learn about their behaviors and the challenges they face. Together, let's appreciate these incredible creatures and understand the importance of their conservation. The grizzly bear, an icon of North America's wilderness from Alaska to Yellowstone. These powerful bears command respect. Grizzlies are easily identified by their muscular hump and long claws, setting them apart. They roam vast territories, including forests, meadows, and river valleys, which become their hunting grounds. Grizzly bears are solitary creatures, except for mothers with cubs. They communicate with a variety of sounds, growls, grunts, and even roars. Their diet is omnivorous. They feast on berries, roots, and fish, and also hunt large prey like deer, elk, and even bison, which fall victim to their strength. Grizzlies play a crucial role in their ecosystem, regulating prey populations and dispersing seeds through their digging. Their presence shapes the landscape. However, human encroachment threatens their survival, with habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict presenting significant challenges. Protecting grizzly bears is essential for the health of our ecosystems and the future of these magnificent animals. Deep within the old-growth forests of the Pacific Northwest, a rare and magical creature resides: the spirit bear, also known as the Kermode bear. This subspecies of black bear possesses a unique characteristic, a creamy white coat, giving it an ethereal appearance that has made it a sacred animal, revered by indigenous peoples for centuries. Spirit bears are found in a limited range, primarily in coastal British Columbia and southeast Alaska. They thrive in dense forests, where their dark fur provides camouflage in the shadows. The spirit bear's white coat is a result of a recessive gene, with only a small percentage of black bears inheriting this trait. These elusive bears are solitary and shy, avoiding human contact. They are highly skilled fishers, with salmon making up a significant portion of their diet. Their feeding habits contribute to the health of the forest by transporting nutrients from the ocean to the forest floor. The spirit bear is a symbol of the region's ecological richness, and protecting their habitat is vital for the survival of this unique and culturally significant animal. The Arctic, a realm of ice and snow, home to the largest land predator on Earth, the polar bear. Perfectly adapted to survive in this harsh environment, their thick fur and blubber layer provide insulation, while their powerful limbs allow them to navigate ice and snow with ease. Polar bears are apex predators, whose survival depends on the Arctic sea ice, their primary hunting ground. They wait patiently near breathing holes, ambushing seals as they surface for air. Their keen sense of smell can detect prey from miles away. Climate change poses the greatest threat to polar bears, as shrinking sea ice limits their hunting opportunities, forcing them to venture closer to human settlements, leading to conflict and endangering both bears and humans. Protecting the Arctic sea ice is crucial for the survival of these magnificent creatures and for the health of our planet. Section 5. The Spectacled Bear, an Andean Wonder. High in the Andes Mountains of South America lives a bear with a distinctive marking, the spectacled bear. Named for the light-colored rings around their eyes, these markings resemble spectacles. They are the only bear species found in South America and are also the only surviving short-faced bear species. Spectacled bears are highly adaptable, inhabiting a variety of habitats from cloud forests to high-altitude grasslands. They are primarily herbivorous, their diet consisting of fruits, bromeliads, and cacti. They are excellent climbers, often scaling tall trees to reach food. Habitat loss and fragmentation threaten their survival. Deforestation and human encroachment are major concerns. Spectacled bears are also hunted for their body parts, used in traditional medicine. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitat, and educating local communities is crucial to mitigate human-bear conflict and ensure their long-term survival. Section 6. The sun bear, king of the Southeast Asian rainforest. Deep within the rainforests of Southeast Asia, a small but mighty bear reigns supreme, the sun bear. Named for the crescent-shaped patch of fur on its chest, this marking resembles the rising sun. Sun bears are the smallest bear species and are also one of the least studied. They are highly arboreal, spending a majority of their lives in trees. Their strong claws and short fur are perfect adaptations for climbing and maneuvering through dense vegetation. Their long tongues are ideal for extracting honey, a favorite food source. Deforestation and habitat loss are major threats to sun bears. The illegal wildlife trade also poses a significant risk. They are poached for their body parts, used in traditional medicine. Protecting their rainforest home is essential, and enforcing anti-poaching laws is crucial to ensure the survival of these fascinating and elusive creatures. Section 7. The sloth bear, a unique insect eater. On the Indian subcontinent, home to a bear with a peculiar adaptation, the sloth bear. Named for their slow, lumbering gait and their resemblance to sloths, sloth bears are easily identified. Their shaggy black fur, long claws, and white muzzle are distinctive features. Sloth bears are specialized feeders. Their diet consists mainly of termites and ants. They use their powerful claws to rip open termite mounds. Their long snouts and toothless mouths are perfect for sucking up insects. They also feed on fruits, honey, and carrion. Habitat loss and fragmentation threaten sloth bear populations. Human-wildlife conflict is also a major concern. Sloth bears often raid crops in search of food, leading to retaliatory killings. Promoting coexistence between humans and sloth bears is crucial, and educating local communities is key to mitigate conflict and ensure the survival of this unique bear species. Across Asia's diverse landscapes, a highly adaptable bear thrives, the Asiatic black bear. Known for their distinctive white chest patch, shaped like a crescent moon or a V, they are found in a variety of habitats, from forests to mountains to scrublands. Asiatic black bears are opportunistic omnivores. Their diet varies depending on their location and the season, consuming fruits, nuts, insects, small mammals, and carrion. They are excellent climbers and often seek refuge in trees. However, habitat loss and fragmentation are major threats, driven by deforestation and human encroachment. Asiatic black bears are also targeted by poachers, their body parts used in traditional medicine. Protecting their habitat is crucial, as is enforcing anti-poaching laws to ensure the survival of these adaptable bears. Bears and humans share a long and complex history. We are both drawn to similar resources, water, food, and shelter. This often leads to conflict. Bears are often perceived as a threat, especially when they venture near human settlements. Human activities have had a profound impact on bear populations worldwide. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and hunting have taken their toll. Climate change is adding to the pressure, particularly for polar bears and other species dependent on fragile ecosystems. It is crucial to remember that bears play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They are indicators of environmental health. Their presence signifies a thriving ecosystem. We must learn to coexist. Conservation efforts are underway. Around the world, organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to protect bear populations and their habitats. These efforts take many forms, from habitat restoration and anti-poaching patrols to community outreach and education programs. Research plays a vital role. Scientists are studying bear behavior, genetics, and ecology. This knowledge helps inform conservation strategies and ensures their long-term effectiveness. International cooperation is also crucial. Many bear species cross international borders, making collaborative efforts essential for their protection. By supporting conservation organizations, advocating for bear-friendly policies, and educating ourselves and others, we can all play a part in ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures for generations to come. Living in harmony with bears requires a shared responsibility. We must respect their space and minimize our impact. By following simple guidelines, we can reduce the risk of human-bear conflict and ensure the safety of both bears and humans. When venturing into bear country, it is essential to be aware of our surroundings, make noise to avoid surprising bears, store food properly, dispose of garbage responsibly, keep a safe distance, and never approach or feed bears. By embracing these practices, we can foster a culture of coexistence where bears and humans can thrive. It is our duty to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure that they continue to roam free in the wild places they call home. Let us be good stewards of our planet and ensure that the legacy of bears endures for